I don't think I've ever woken up happier.
Wow.
Wow, look at this place. Wish I could just go full send, but definitely gonna have fun. I've always wanted to try one of these loops. Look at that. Oh, hey. I know this guy.
Be locked in like.
I'm like shooting one or the other.
Yeah. This or like.
I want to lock it like that.
I think that one. Got it. It's kind of sticky. Hey! Easy. You skate? Holy, that's so scary. Holy shit.
What
It's
is
so
that?
gnarly. I feel like I could do it though. It's like so hectic.
I'm for sure I can do it. Fuck yeah. Oh.
Oh. No way I landed that.
You're crazy.
Oh. Oh.
We're like slow as board sled. There you have it.
Oh my gosh.
Circles everywhere. Woo!
Thank you. So fun.
Oh, I'm so happy you guys are enjoying my 2-bedroom loft house. Here we have master bedroom, leather couch, carpeted walls. Here's a table for you to do your homework or whatever, you know, dinner. Here's the smaller bedroom, less quality in the carpet.
Bathroom right here on the floor.
Bathroom is in this hole.
Anywhere's the bathroom.
Thank you for this house. I love it.
You're welcome. It was free.
Great. Pretty doggy. He's killing it. He just slammed too. Legend. Future skate legend. Or already in the making. We're utterly disappointed in our mistake right now. We got off at the wrong stop earlier, like 11 p.m. So now it's finally 4 a.m. Gonna wait for this train to make it back to civilization and safety.
This one? Yeah. Or that one instead? Yeah. Looks so nice. So at least we got a beautiful sunrise. Started traveling at 5 p.m. It's 7 a.m. right now. Got on the wrong train again. Now we gotta go.
Again?
Again.
He thought we were done. We weren't.
I need sleep.
So we missed our train. Okay, so first we got off at the wrong stop, got stranded for 5 hours in the middle of nowhere, and then paid $100 for a taxi to get to a different station for another train that we missed, and then got on the right train, got off at the wrong stop, got on the right train again, and then got off at the wrong stop again, and now we're here getting on the last train hopefully of the day. Or we need like some type of brain training because this is ridiculous.